How to enable Facebook share button. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can enable your Facebook share button on a post or your pictures. Now the first step is go ahead and open Facebook and log into your account. Once you log into your account, go ahead to your profile. Now if you scroll down below, you can see I've shared a post, couple of them, and here you'll get the share option. But if you can't find the share option on your post, then all you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see on the right side of your screen just above your post. Now you will have these three dots on any of your posts. If you see, you can look right here. Now click on three dots. Once on three dots, you'll get the option edit privacy. If you see at the screen, now you will find the option to delete, to copy, to pin, or to save. But what we want to do right now is click on edit privacy, and here make sure you have set it to public. Now if your privacy or your post, who can see your post, is on only me, then you won't get the share option on your post. So if you want to enable your share button, make sure you have set it to public, and this way you can enable share button on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.